Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix that Wi-Fi hotspot automatically turns off after some period of time or just without this period of time. So the main issue may be that you have the option called automatic turn off hotspot automatically turned on. To check it, at first we need to go to settings, and here we need to go to more. Here we have to tap tethering and portable hotspot, and here portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Here we do have configure Wi-Fi hotspot. We can tap that. Network name encrypt and time we can tap save here. Here we do have data limit, and on our 6x we can enable the hotspot. And now everybody can connect to our hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot here. As you can see, we don't have the automatic hotspot turned off option here, so it's not enabled. If we have the data limit set here, we have to tap that. Do not remind me again, okay, and set it to no limit, because if you have some limit, it will automatically be disabled after reaching this limit, so we have to disable that. Apart from that, we can go here again to configure Wi-Fi hotspot and tap encryption type. Here we can disable it or set this encrypted here. We can tap here show advanced options and change the AP brand. As you can see here, we don't have it. And we can check broadcast channel, change broadcast channel for here, and here we do have max allowed connections. Some hotspots can kick you out of the hotspot or just be turned off after reaching the limit. I recommend here to set it to the maximum value here. Apart from that, here we can just turn off the hotspot and turn the hotspot back on. And to do so we have to here click cancel and here tap the switch. Now we have it disabled, and after some period of time we can enable hotspot back again. Sometimes it's just a bit laggy. This phone is almost 11 years, maybe not 11, 10 years, almost 10 years old, so yeah, it's like that. Apart from that, check if you have battery saver enabled. If you have it, just disable it. So at first let's go back to the settings, main menu, and here we have to scroll down to battery. Disable power saving mode and disable ultra power saving. It should help us and it should fix the problem. And the almost final tip from me to you is to update your firmware version to the latest one. Go back here and go to the system update. Here check for updates, and if you have any updates, just update your phone, because it should help you. Maybe Honor just released the latest firmware update so that you can fix your phone easily and automatically. It should help you, as I said. Don't worry about that. And the final tip from me to you is to install some third-party application, for example MacroDroid or Tasker. Some users recommend that when you have your hotspot disabled, you can create a macro that detects when you have your hotspot disabled, and it enables it automatically again, which can just cause that your hotspot will be always enabled. Of course with some breaks, but this break will take 1 second, so it won't do anything bad. Of course it's not ideal solution, but it can help you to fix your problem temporarily. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And if that helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. As I said, if you have some questions, comment them in the comments below, and it's really important to us. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.